Welcome to the video, guys. Today I'm going to show you the best Pokemon Go hack ever. Super quick and easy. Just follow the steps in the video. Alright, let's go. Okay. So we'll just pull up my Pokemon Go now. Here's the settings I get from this hack you're about to learn. As you can see, I'm moving around without even moving physically. I'm sitting right here. Here are the settings you'll get after following the steps. You can change your speed to whatever you like. Got the map here. So to do this, just follow the simple steps. You go to this website, modiking.com, and type in Pokemon Go. Now just click download and wait for it to load. Awesome, so now we just need to verify. Click on the apps to install. As I'll do, I've got Merge Gardens here first, and we'll do the other one as we're waiting reworded play. Awesome, so rewarded plays are downloaded. You just got to open the app and use it for a bit of time so it can register properly, which is what we'll do now. Still waiting for Merge Gardens, but it's almost done. And awesome. That's literally all you have to do. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. Make sure you do it now.